Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Disney Speedstorm Error Code 59224. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to participate in the Fozzie and Queen of Hearts special event races. According to our research, the error may happen because the characters being used are not allowed in the event. If the event doesn't permit the use of specific characters like Fozzie or Queen of Hearts, then trying to use them can trigger the error. To deal with the error, we suggest is to avoid using restricted characters for the event. So try selecting a different character that is permitted for the race. Once selected, launch the event again and see if the error still comes. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.